All right, we're back. I'm at the end. I'm at the end of this going around with this white zigzag stitch that I made that you can barely see, but it's enough to hold that down and make it look a little flatter and a little nicer. So I'm right here at the end. I'm going to finish this up right here, and I'm going to be right back at the back again, once again. Now this time, because we have this piece that I had folded over before, I'm going to turn it sideways, still keep my zigzag stitch, and I'm going to work my way down and then turn it once more and go back and close that over. So now what we have, if you look, we have one piece. It's all closed off now. It has a little gap here, but that's fine because now we don't have anything sticking out. All right, so now let's move on to those sleeves, and we'll come back to this lower edge later. I'm going to add another layer of decoration onto it. Let's show you where we are. Now look how it's changed the look of the base of our dress. And it's going to be absolutely beautiful when it's on there. And because we added that nice ribbon, it actually adds flair on its own. But let's move on now to those sleeves.